So, bring it over here. So, if we look here, see this? See how it's way down there at the bottom? Come over here, bud. On this end. See that? So, we gotta add some fluid. And trying to take this to dump it in there doesn't work so good. So, we'll do it this way. Do you know what kind of fluid this is? Hold the funnel, please. Just a little tab. This is hydraulic fluid. Now, we want to make sure that we don't overfill it or put too much in. I don't think that made much of a difference, but it's much easier just to check it, just in case. Because I think this whole axle is the tank. I've never changed the fluid in this.
Oh, so this is what...
See this? It moved a little bit, not much though. So we need to add more. Hold the funnel. Hold the funnel.
Why do I need to hold the funnel?
Because I don't want it to fall, son. Do you know what that's called?
A wrench?
It's a ratchet.
And I can't tell if this is black or blue.
That's blue. Hard to see. We might start this and run it for a little bit, and that will mix the old and the new fluid together, and then we'll be able to see it. Because I can't. No, not yet.
Wait, this is the gas one.
That's right. I filled it up yesterday.
So
See here?
I'll
It's
start
hard
it.
to see. Actually, no, it's perfect. It's right on the line, just perfect. But we'll run it for a little while and check it anyway. Here, take the ratchet. Okay. Here, pull this. Pull. Pull to you. Okay, now go back. Push it back. Go away. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Take a stroke. There you go. Now pull to you. Pull, come on. Good job. Perfect. Okay. So we're good on our hydraulic fluid.
Now we just need it.
We filled it up with gas.
Now I just need that. Is this how you start it?
What?
Is this how you start it?
Yes.
So I can
Okay, watch out. So this is a choke. We pull that out, and then we fluid. It's really hard to see this. This is very clear. It's a good thing that it's clear, but it's kind of hard to see. Yeah, I can see it. Look right here. See, it's just a touch below where that line is. That line is the max, so as long as it's on the X's, it's okay. But when I looked at it before, it was right on the max line. So what happened is some of the fluid from here went into the hoses.
What hose?
These hoses. That's what makes the ram work.
So why did I get some more from the water?
Nope, not yet. We're not there yet.
Hey, I found this on the ground.
Oh, okay, good. Just take a look.